Hi, I'm Tim. Welcome to the channel. In my last quick tips video, I showed you how to create your own materials test grid using your own custom shapes in Lightburn. And today's video is kind of a follow-up to that, and I'll link that video up here so you can go check it out. But someone was asking how you can have the shapes burn in a particular order, because in his situation, I believe he was working with metal, and when he burns from cold left to right, it puts a lot of heat on the right side, and the next time it comes back around, it just keeps building heat up, and he wanted to be able to do a hot spot, then go somewhere else and have it burn, then cool off, and give a little more randomness to, or thought to, how it burns the shapes. So that's pretty easy to do as well. There again, using the shape properties, and we're just going to get in Lightburn, and I'll show you how to make it happen quickly. So here's the same test grid that I created in the last video. And just for a recap, we'll do a quick preview here. So as it burns the text. Then I got the first couple rows down here burning individual stars, and then the next rows are burning the entire row at one shot. So what we need to do is we need to kind of randomize this. And we'll do that using the shape properties box. And if you notice, there's a cut, in addition to the power scaling, which is what we use to create the different powers, there's also a cut order priority. And that's what controls which gets cut when. So the first thing I'm going to do for ease of simplicity is I'm going to select everything and change them all to 100. That way our text will still burn first, and then whatever else we do down here will change up in the order. So let's grab a star, and we're going to change this one to 1. And let's go up here to the opposite corner and make that one 2. And come here, we'll call that one 3. And maybe we'll go to that one and make it 4. And back up here, 5, 6. All right, you get the idea. You can go around the entire grid and do whatever you want, but now let's watch how this works out, how this plays out. We got our text, and it didn't do what we want, did it? And I'll show you why it didn't do what we want. We need to go down here into optimization settings, and the order is order by layer, then order by priority. Well, we don't want that. We want to get rid of the order by layer and just do order by priority. Our text is still on a zero priority, and everything else here is what we set it to be. So let's try this again. And now it finishes the text, then it does the stars in the order that we told it to, and then it just takes over and goes through the rest of them, because we didn't assign a specific number to the rest of them. We only did like, what was it, six or 8. So you can go through the entire test grid and set your priority to whatever numbers you want, so it goes to whichever part of the grid you want to go to in the next order. So the main thing you just have to remember is keep your text on to order 0. Change everything else to a high number that you won't hit, so those will do last. I mean, you don't have to. You could leave them at 0 and just make sure you change every one of them. But I just found it quicker for the video's sake to change everything to a high number and then just come and bring a few of them in. So, but yeah, then go into optimization settings, get rid of the order by layer, and only go order by priority, and it'll do it exactly like you're wanting it to. So I hope this video helped you out in showing you how you can control what graphic gets burned and what part of the test grid. So give the video a like, subscribe to my channel, stay tuned for more Lightburn tips and tricks, and thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.